In the quiet corners of Britain, far from the busy terminals and roaring engines, lie the remains of forgotten airports, once symbols of progress, now frozen in time. These abandoned runways and silent control towers whisper stories of war, ambition, and decline. Once, during the mid-20th century, these airports were alive with energy, hosting Royal Air Force missions, commercial flights, and even secret government operations. But as aviation advanced and urban expansion began, many of these airfields were slowly shut down. Today, their crumbling hangars and empty runways stand as airy monuments to Britain's past. One of the most haunting examples is RAF Upper Heyford, a Cold War relic that once guarded the skies against nuclear threats. Others, like Croydon Airport, tell a story of innovation. It was once London's main international hub before Heathrow took over. What really happened to these airports? Some were abandoned due to financial struggles, others repurposed into housing or shopping complexes, and a few left untouched, ghosts of another era. As nature reclaims the tarmac, explorers and historians continue to uncover the hidden stories beneath the dust, forgotten blueprints, secret tunnels, and even aircraft remains buried underground. So next time you fly across the UK, remember, beneath those clouds, the ground still holds the echoes of Britain's lost aviation age.
History hides in silence, and sometimes it's right beneath our feet.